Welcome. In this video, I am going to solve these set of questions. So first, let us start with question number 1. In question number 1, we have to convert 8 minutes into seconds. Now, before solving this question, first, let us arrange the different units of measurement of time in descending order, starting from years and going till seconds. So we will arrange in descending order the different units of measurement of time starting from years till seconds. So first it will be years, then it will be days, then it will be hours, then it will be minutes, and then it will be seconds. So this is the descending order from years to seconds. Years, then days, then hours, then minutes, and then seconds. Now here we have to convert 8 minutes into seconds. So 8 minutes is equal to how many seconds? So in this order, we have to convert from minutes to seconds. So it is one step. From minutes to seconds is one step of conversion in this descending order. So now let us do it. So we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So therefore 8 minutes will be 8 into 60, this many seconds. And what is 8 into 60? 8 into 6 is 48, and then add this 0. So 480. So 8 into 60 is 480. So this many seconds. So 8 minutes is 480 seconds. And this is the answer for question number 1. So when we convert 8 minutes into seconds, it is 480 seconds. Now let us go to question number 2. In question number 2, we have to convert 3 hours into seconds. Now, let us look at the descending order from years to seconds. So years, then days, then hours, then minutes, and then seconds. So we have to convert 3 hours into seconds. Now, here we can see that in this order, hours is here and seconds is here. So, in order to convert hours to seconds, first we have to convert hours to minutes, and then we have to convert those minutes into seconds. So there are 2 steps involved in the process in the conversion from hours to seconds. First we have to convert hours to minutes, and then we have to convert those minutes into seconds. So therefore 3 hours we have to convert it into seconds. So first we will convert 3 hours into minutes. So 3 hours is equal to how many minutes? And then those minutes we have to convert it into seconds. So this is equal to how many seconds? So this is the procedure. So let us now solve it. So first we are going to convert hours into minutes. So 3 hours is how many minutes? So we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So therefore 3 hours will be 3 into 60, this much minutes. And what is 3 into 60? 3 into 6 is 18, and then add this 0. So 180. 3 into 60 is 180. So this many minutes. So 3 hours is 180 minutes. So 3 hours is 180 minutes. And now this minutes has to be converted into seconds. So 180 minutes is how many seconds? So we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So therefore 180 minutes is equal to 180 into 60, this many seconds. And what is 180 into 60? So 18 into 6. 18 into 6 is 108. And then add these two zeros. So it is 10,800. 180 into 60 is 10,800. So this many seconds. So 180 minutes is 10,800 seconds. So 180 minutes is 10,800 seconds. So 10,800 seconds. And with that we have solved this question. So 3 hours is 10,800 seconds. So when we convert 3 hours into seconds, it is 10,800 seconds. Now let us go to question number 3. In question number 3, we have to convert 2 days into seconds. So 2 days is how many seconds? So 2 days is equal to how many seconds? Now let us look at this order of descending order from years to seconds. So first it is years, then days, then hours, then minutes, and then seconds. So in this question we have to convert 2 days into seconds. So we have to convert from days to seconds. So first we have to convert from days to hours. Then those hours we have to convert it into minutes. And then those minutes we have to convert it into seconds. So from days we have to convert it into hours. From hours we have to convert it into minutes. And from minutes we have to convert it into seconds. So this is 3 steps. This is the first step, this is the second step, and this is the third step. So there are 3 steps involved in the process of conversion of days to seconds. So therefore 2 days will be equal to, first we have to convert from days to hours. So 2 days is equal to how many hours? Then those hours has to be converted into minutes. So these many hours is equal to how many minutes? And then those minutes has to be converted into seconds. So these minutes is equal to how many seconds? So let us start solving it. So first we have to convert 2 days into hours. So we know that in one day there are 24 hours. So therefore 2 days will be 2 into 24, this many hours. And 2 into 24 is 48. So 48 hours. So 2 days is 48 hours. So 2 days is 48 hours. Now we have to convert 48 hours into minutes. So we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So therefore 48 hours will be 48 into 60, this many minutes. Now 48 into 60 is how much? So first we will do 48 into 6 and then whatever answer we get, to that answer we will add a 0 at the end. So it will be that many minutes. So first we will do 48 into 6. So 48 into 6 is 8 into 6 is 48. Carry forward 4. 6 into 4 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. So 48 into 6 is 288 and then add a 0. So 48 into 60 is 2880. So this many minutes. So 48 hours is 2880 minutes. So 48 hours is 2880 minutes. And now 2880 minutes is equal to how many seconds? So we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So therefore 2880 minutes, that is equal to 2880 into 60, this many seconds. Now 2880 into 60, we have to do this. So what we will do is, we will do 288 into 6 and then we will add these two zeros at the end of that answer. So it will be that many seconds. So what is 288 into 6? So 6 into 8 is 48. Carry forward 4. 6 into 8 is 48. 48 plus 4 is 52. Carry forward 5. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So 288 into 6 is 1728. And then add these two zeros at the end. So we have 1,72,800, this many seconds. So 2880 minutes is 1,72,800 seconds. So 2880 minutes is 1,72,800, this many seconds. So therefore 2 days is 1,72,800 seconds. So 1,72,800 seconds. So when we convert 2 days into seconds, it is 1,72,800 seconds. Now let us go to question number 4. In question number 4, we have to convert 6 minutes 51 seconds into seconds. So we have to convert this entire thing into seconds. So here we have to convert 6 minutes 51 seconds into seconds. So this means 6 minutes plus 51 seconds is equal to how many seconds? So the meaning of this question is 6 minutes plus 51 seconds is equal to how many seconds? So we have to convert 6 minutes 51 seconds into seconds. So that means 6 minutes plus 51 seconds is equal to how many seconds? Now we have to convert it into seconds. You can see that 51 seconds, this is already in seconds. So this part 51 seconds, this is already in seconds. So no need to convert this. This will be as it is. So no need to convert this, because we have to convert it into seconds and this is already in seconds. So this will be as it is. So no need to convert this. So this I will write it as it is. So 51 seconds. This is the plus sign. Now look here, 6 minutes. We have to convert it into seconds. So this 6 minutes we have to convert it into seconds. So these 6 minutes we have to convert into seconds. So 6 minutes is how many seconds? So 6 minutes plus 51 seconds is equal to how many seconds? So these 51 seconds is already in seconds. So this will be as it is. No need to convert this. But we have to convert this 6 minutes into seconds. So 6 minutes is how many seconds? And once we have done that, we will add both of them to get the total number of seconds. So here we have to convert 6 minutes into seconds. So 6 minutes is how many seconds? So 6 minutes is how many seconds? So let us look at the descending order. So years, then days, then hours, then minutes, and then seconds. We have to convert 6 minutes into seconds. So we have to convert from minutes to seconds. It is one step. From minutes to seconds is one step of conversion. So 6 minutes is how many seconds? So we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So therefore 6 minutes will be 6 into 60, this many seconds. Now what is 6 into 60? 6 into 6 is 36, and then add this 0. So 6 into 60 is 360. So this many seconds. So 6 minutes is 360 seconds. So 6 minutes is 360 seconds. So 6 minutes, when we convert it into seconds, it is 360 seconds. So 6 minutes plus 51 seconds becomes 360 seconds plus 51 seconds. And now we have to add both of them to get the total number of seconds. So 360 plus 51. So it will be 1 in the units place, 1 plus 0. So 1. Then in the tens place, 5 plus 6 is 11. And then carry forward 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 360 plus 51 is 411. So the total seconds is 411 seconds. So 360 seconds plus 51 seconds is 411 seconds. And that is the answer for question number 4. So 6 minutes 51 seconds, when we convert it into seconds, it is 411 seconds. Now let us go to question number 5. In question number 5, we have to convert 4 hours 26 minutes into seconds. So 4 hours 26 minutes is how many seconds? So this means 4 hours plus 26 minutes is equal to how many seconds? So 4 hours 26 minutes, we have to convert it into seconds. So that means 4 hours plus 26 minutes is equal to how many seconds? Now look here, 26 minutes. This is in minutes and we have to convert our final answer into seconds. So we have to convert 26 minutes into seconds. So convert into seconds. So 26 minutes is how many seconds? So we have to do this conversion. Then this is the plus sign. Then look here, 4 hours. We have to convert 4 hours also into seconds because our final answer should be in seconds. So these 4 hours we have to convert it into seconds. So convert into seconds. So 4 hours is how many seconds? So 4 hours plus 26 minutes is equal to how many seconds? So here 26 minutes has to be converted into seconds. 4 hours has also to be converted into seconds. And once both of them has been converted into seconds, we have to add these two values to get our total number of seconds. So let us do it. So first let us convert 4 hours into seconds. So 4 hours is equal to how many seconds? So let us look at the descending order. Years, then days, then hours, then minutes, and then seconds. So we have to convert 4 hours into seconds. So we have to convert from hours to seconds. So first we have to convert hours to minutes, and then those minutes we have to convert it into seconds. So it's two-step process. First we have to convert from hours to minutes, and then we have to convert those minutes into seconds. So therefore 4 hours, first it has to be converted into minutes, and then those minutes we have to convert it into seconds. So it is a two-step process. So let us do it. So first we are converting 4 hours into minutes. So we know that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So therefore in 4 hours there will be 4 into 60, this many minutes. And what is 4 into 60? 4 into 60 is 240. 4 into 6 is 24, then add this 0. So 240. 4 into 60 is 240. So this many minutes. So 4 hours is 240 minutes. So 4 hours is 240 minutes. And now this 240 minutes we have to convert it into seconds. So 240 minutes is how many seconds? So we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So therefore 240 minutes, this is minutes, will be 240 into 60, this many seconds. Now what is 240 into 60? So first we will do 24 into 6 and then we will add these two zeros at the end of that answer to get the total number of seconds. So 24 into 6 is 6 into 4 is 24, carry forward 2. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So 24 into 6 is 144. And then add these two zeros at the end. So it is 14,400. So 240 into 60 is 14,400. So this many seconds. So 240 minutes is 14,400 seconds. So 240 minutes is 14,400 seconds. So 4 hours is 14,400 seconds. So 14,400 seconds. So we have converted 4 hours into seconds. So 4 hours is 14,400 seconds. Now we will convert these 26 minutes into seconds. So 26 minutes is how many seconds? So 26 minutes is how many seconds? Now let us look at the descending order chart. So years, then days, then hours, then minutes, and then seconds. Here we have to convert 26 minutes into seconds. So we have to convert from minutes to seconds. So it is a one-step procedure. So 26 minutes is how many seconds? We know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So therefore 26 minutes will be 26 into 60, this many seconds. And what is 26 into 60? So we will do 26 into 6 and then add this 0 at the end of that answer. So 26 into 6. So 6 into 6 is 36, carry forward 3. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 26 into 6 is 156 and then add this 0 at the end. So it is 1560. So 26 into 60 is 1560. So this many seconds. So 26 minutes is 1560 seconds. So 26 minutes is 1560 seconds. So 26 minutes is 1560 seconds. So now we have converted both of them into seconds. 4 hours is 14,400 seconds and 26 minutes is 1560 seconds. And now we have to add these two to get our total number of seconds. So 14,400 plus 1560. So let us do it over here. So 14,400 plus 1560. So how much is that? 4 plus 5, 9. 1 plus 4, 5, and then 1. 15,960. So 15,960. 15,960. Yeah. So 4 hours 26 minutes, when we convert it into seconds, it is 15,960. So the answer for question number 5 is 15,960 seconds. And now let us do the last question in this question set. 2 hours 18 minutes 34 seconds. We have to convert this into seconds. So 2 hours 18 minutes 34 seconds is how many seconds? So this means 2 hours plus 18 minutes plus 34 seconds is equal to how many seconds? So this is the meaning of the question. So 2 hours 18 minutes 34 seconds, we have to convert it into seconds. So that means 2 hours plus 18 minutes plus 34 seconds is equal to how many seconds? So 34 seconds. This is already in seconds. Our answer has to be in seconds and this is already in seconds. So no need to convert this. This will be as it is. So no need to convert this. So this will be as it is because it is in seconds and our answer also has to be in seconds. So we won't convert this. So this will be as it is, 34 seconds. Then there is the plus sign. Now look at this, 18 minutes. We want our answer in seconds. So therefore we have to convert 18 minutes into seconds. So convert into seconds. This has to be converted into seconds. So 18 minutes is how many seconds? Then the plus sign. Then look at this, 2 hours. Our answer has to be into seconds. So we have to convert this 2 hours into seconds. So convert into seconds. So 2 hours is how many seconds? So we have to convert 18 minutes into seconds and we have to also convert 2 hours into seconds. So first let us convert 2 hours into seconds. So 2 hours is equal to how many seconds? So let us look at the descending order. So years, then days, then hours, then minutes and then seconds. Here we have to convert 2 hours into seconds. So hours, we have to convert it into seconds. So first we have to convert hours to minutes and then those minutes we have to convert it into seconds. So it is a two-step procedure. First we have to convert hours to minutes and those minutes we have to convert it into seconds. So first we will do 2 hours is equal to how many minutes? And then those minutes we will convert it into seconds. So let us do it. So 2 hours is how many minutes? We know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So therefore 2 hours will be 2 into 60, this many minutes. And what is 2 into 60? 2 into 6 is 12 and then add this 0. So 120. 2 into 60 is 120. So 120 minutes. So 2 hours is 120 minutes. So 2 hours is 120 minutes. And now these 120 minutes we have to convert it into seconds. So we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So therefore 120 minutes will be 120 into 60, this many seconds. Now what is 120 into 60? So we will do 12 into 6 and then add these 2 zeros at the end of that answer. So it will be that many seconds. So 12 into 6 is 72. 12 into 6 is 72. And now add these 2 zeros at the end. So it is 7200. So 120 into 60 is 7200. So this many seconds. So 120 minutes is 7200 seconds. So 120 minutes is 7200 seconds. So 2 hours is 7200 seconds. So 2 hours is 7200 seconds. So we have converted 2 hours into seconds. 2 hours is 7200 seconds. And now we will convert 18 minutes into seconds. So 18 minutes is how many seconds? So 18 minutes is equal to how many seconds? So let us look at the descending order. Hours, then days, then years, then days, then hours, then minutes, and then seconds. Here we have to convert 18 minutes into seconds. So we have to convert from minutes to seconds. So it is a one-step procedure. So 18 minutes is how many seconds? So we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So therefore 18 minutes will be 18 into 60, this many seconds. Now what is 18 into 60? So we will do 18 into 6 and then add the 0 at the end of that answer. So it will be that many seconds. So 18 into 6 is 108. And then add this 0 at the end. So 1080. So 18 into 60 is 1080. So this many seconds. So 18 minutes is 1080 seconds. So 1080 seconds. So 18 minutes is 1080 seconds. So we have converted all of them into seconds. 2 hours is 7200 seconds, 18 minutes is 1080 seconds, and 34 seconds is 34 seconds. No need to convert this because this is already in seconds. And now if we add all of them, we will get the total number of seconds. So let us do the addition over here in this free space. So 7200 plus 1080 plus 34. So the answer will be 4. 8 plus 3 is 11, carry forward 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And then 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8314. So 8314. So this many seconds. So 2 hours, 18 minutes, 34 seconds is 8314 seconds. And this is how you can convert any given measurement of time into seconds.